Functions in Yenka programming let you define a routine once, but use it repeatedly. Functions must start with a function part. You can type a new name for the function by clicking on it. Next, add the flowchart elements that you want to use in the function. Here, we're using it to define the chorus for a dance routine. At the end of a function, you must add a return command to return to the program that originally called the function. Now we need to call the function from the main routine. Add the call function command from the processes folder. We'll finish the program with a loop. You need to click on the call function command and type the function's name exactly as you typed it previously. When the program reaches the call function command, it jumps to the chorus function and runs it. At the end of the function, the return command sends it back to the step immediately after the call function. You can also pass information to functions. This information can be a number or a text string and is called a parameter. You can call a parameter whatever you like. We'll call it limit and use it to tell the function how many times to loop through the chorus steps. We'll quickly set up a loop in the chorus function. When you define a function and add a parameter like this, a value for that parameter needs to be passed to the function every time you call it from the main routine. In this case, because the function is using the parameter to count the number of times the loop is repeated, we will need to make sure we pass a number and not a text string. In the decision box in our loop, we'll type the name of the parameter. This means that the loop will stop when the count reaches the value of the parameter. If we pass a value of 1, the loop will repeat once. If we pass a value of 2, it will repeat twice, and so on. Now, whenever the function is called, we need to define the value of the parameter. Click on the first function call in the main routine. You can see that there's now an X in the brackets. This shows that the function requires a parameter. We'll replace the X in the first function call with the value 1 and in the second with the value 3. This means that the first chorus routine should repeat once and the second 3 times.